Going on YouTube? Back again with another video, and I'm making this video, a short video to show you guys the new suspension. Well, the suspension setup we're gonna be running for this quad. Well, for the build. As you guys can see, it's a little long in width, not width, in length. It's a little long in length. Because I got the S3 Power Sports rear trailing arms on. That gives you a 2-inch stretch in the rear. And I also have the S3 Power Sports front A arms as well. Both of them in octane blue to match the blue Outlander on the side. And it gave me a bunch of clearance. I kind of like them. From the looks of it, as you guys can see, all the space I have in between, it like pushes the tires forward. You can see the little arch in the arm right there. It pushes the tires forward and gives you more clearance behind the tire to run bigger tires. Stock, these wheelbases are 51 inches. I believe this setup is like 55 now. And it's crazy to think the max frame wheelbase is 59, so the max frames are longer than this, which is crazy to think about. But yeah, got a lot of clearance for bigger tires now. That's my hand, and I probably got about 3 hands of clearance from the tire to the floorboard. And these are 26-inch tires, the stock ones that come on here. So we got a lot of options for tires. I don't know if I'll be able to fit the size tires I want. I want to run 35s on probably some 22-inch rims. Cause I thought about doing big rim setup because it looked good on here. But I don't know. I might end up running a big tire but small rim. You never know. Cause I believe, yeah, as you guys can see, I thought about running 14-inch rim. Focus. But you can see that arm is real close to that inner wheel well, and might have to end up running 15-inch rims. Or if I run a bigger tire, smaller rim, the smaller size rim I'm probably gonna run is 15 because of how close the 14-inch rims are to the arm. Unless they have a good offset, then it probably will help a little bit. But yeah, got the arms on. It looks pretty good. It gives a good scratch. Now all I need is some ideas on some wheels and tires to run. So you guys put that down in the comments to help me out with that. It'll help me get a good understanding of what I can run. If you guys have this setup, what size tires are you running? It'll give me a good idea of what I can run and what I can't. I've seen some forums, so however you say that word, and some people say they run 34-inch assassinators on this setup and clear perfectly with room left. So I might be able to run 35s. I never know. I just have to see. Like I said, got a bunch of clearance between the wheel well and the tires on front and rear, and they extend the they push the tires back so far. I believe the wheelbase on these from factory is 51. And with the wheels, with the arms on here, it makes the wheelbase, I believe, 55 because it's 2 inches forward and 2 inches back. So I believe it's 55. It's very long now. As you guys can see, the S3 arms in there look pretty good. I kind of like the octane blue. Everything mounted up pretty good and got a lot of clearance. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what size tires you guys want to see, or what's your preference of tires. I kind of might don't run 34-inch assassinators. Only reason because I ran them on my Sportsman. I want to try something new. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys think I should run, and what do you guys run if you run this setup right here. The next mods. The first 2 mods I did was floorboard. The first mod I did was floorboards. As you guys see, got the wild board floorboards. The next mod I did was these arms. As you guys can see, I have the arms on. And what should be the next mod? I thought about going ahead and do the lightning. I don't know if I'm gonna do the RG JWC tail lights or headlights, or I'm gonna just do halo rings on the tail lights and just tint the tail lights, go the cheaper route. I don't know. And do some underglow. Probably, I'm not gonna do a light bar. More than likely, if I do a light bar, it'll be on top of the radiator relocate. But yeah, more than likely, I'm gonna do lightning, like lights and everything like that next. Gonna get that out the way. I'm gonna get the bumpers and stuff done. I just gotta get those powder coated octane blue as well. So I'm gonna wait to do that. So I'm gonna get stuff that I can do by myself, so I won't have to basically wait to get the bumper and stuff powder coated. The exhaust, I'm gonna get that too. I thought about doing the SLG exhaust because you can have it powder coated from where you buy it from, and they look clean and sound good as well. So I might do the SLG exhaust. And radiator relocate and snorkels, like I said, I was doing that last because I don't know what I want to do. Because everybody keep telling me run the stock radiator relocate, but with the stock radiator relocate, I don't believe you can run the Warrior Riser snorkels because of how far the radiators sit back on the pod. Because with these quads, they don't use the same Warrior Risers as the XMR model because the snorkels are different. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But yeah, like I said, let me know in the comment section what size tires you think I should run, and what size tires do you recommend I run, and what size tires are you guys running with this setup if you have this setup, and what exhaust do you guys recommend? Like everything you recommend me do to this quad that I haven't done already, let me know in the comments, and I'll scroll through the comments and read all you guys' comments. But yeah, and another thing, though, with the rear, it's pretty. The front, I got somebody to do it. Jeremy Osborne with CB Trail Riders. You guys probably know their YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the description. But he did my front because I didn't feel like doing the front. The rear, I actually tried to do the rear myself. I got it on, but it took me some time, and I actually the wheel bearing was messed up in the beginning. I was trying to change it, but I didn't feel like changing it. So I'm just taking to the dealer and let them change the wheel bearing and put the brake calipers back on. I already have the wheel bearing and everything to change it with. See, look, you can hear it. Oh, the wrong thing. You can hear the wheel bearing. I know it's messed up in there, but yeah, I'm gonna let them put the wheel bearing on. That's all they gotta do. Everything else is already mounted up. The wheel bearing and put the brake caliper back on, and should be good. And also tighten up those lower shock bolts because I didn't feel like tightening them up. I just put the bolt in there. But yeah, you guys, let me know down in the comment section what you think I should do next, because I really don't know. Kind of have a couple funds now. Been doing a lot of hauling. As you guys know, I haul cars to fund my YouTube channel until it gets to a point where it funds itself. And I've been working pretty hard and have a little extra cash to start my next so-called thing to do on here. I might end up getting this powder coat too, this little black thing. Might end up getting that pounded octane blue. Cause the dude that's gonna do my powder cone, he brought the Renegade from us, Freeman Power Sports. I forgot where they're located, but I'm gonna get him to do all my powder coating and everything, my powder coated bumpers and all that, and anything else that might look cool powder coated, I'm gonna get him to powder coat it. Cause I'm probably just gonna take the whole quad up there and let him put the bumpers and stuff on after he get done powder coating. So yeah, let me know what I should do next, cause I know it's probably not gonna be bumpers. I know it's not gonna be snorkel or radiator, so more than likely it's gonna be lights. So yeah, like I said you guys earlier, let me know in the comment section what tires you think I should run, and anything else you guys think I should do to this quad that I haven't done, let me know. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace. Also, I forgot to tell you guys, the rear, it was pretty not simple, but if you know what you're doing, like I didn't know what I was doing, you get it on pretty easy. Because if I got it on, you can get it on, especially if you know what you're doing. The rear was pretty easy. The left side was easy. The right side is harder because, you know, one side axle is longer than the other. So they say the right side is harder because of how the short axle works. I don't know about the front. I got CB Trail Riders, Jeremy Osborne, to do the front for me. He said it was a pain to get in and get everything fitted in the front. So yeah, just letting you guys know that about the arm, since that what this video was mainly about. But yeah, thanks.